Mr. Musselman here, helping you with the next step of our investigation around how nature's forces shape our Earth. I have here a little bit of a setup that you're going to try to recreate with some materials you might have at home. They might not be exactly the same things, but you'll probably be able to find something that will work. For example, in my setup here, I've used a takeout order tray, some Lego pieces to represent the homes that might be along Plum Island's beach, and some sand from my children's sandbox. You might use soil that you might find out and around your outside, or maybe some sand that you have left over from the winter that you used to cover a driveway, or someone else might have been using, maybe a neighbor or someone that you can socially distance from but politely ask for. Either way, you're going to want to create something where there's a tray that you are then going to be able to fill with just a little bit of water here in this bottom portion of the tray. Now you'll also notice that I have this tray elevated on a little bit of a slope, and that's important because we're going to want to keep the water down in one half with our beach on the other half, because what you're going to do is you're going to model that wave action that might have been created during the 2015 storm that we observed in the previous videos of this challenge. And you're going to do that by simply lifting this tray up a few times. And you don't have to lift it very high. I don't recommend getting it any higher than the height of whatever you have to support it. So you'll notice that I'm sort of creating a parallel space between the table and the tray. I don't lift any higher than above that box that's holding the tray up. And I might do that 10-15 times and observe the changes that happen or don't happen to our beach up front. You might want to also just try to do this first without any water to see just what happens to the land without water, so you know for sure that water is making any changes that you observe. Whatever you see, you'll want to record in your next page of your science notebook or wherever you're keeping track of the work and learning that you're doing. And good luck.